In this GPT Blaster review, I'm going to be showing you a website creator that's going to allow you to tap into ChatGPT to auto-publish posts on your WordPress websites without even logging in to ChatGPT. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out GPT Blaster, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says the world's first real open AI connected WordPress software that creates set and forget websites with limitless real-time pages and images, unique content directly from ChatGPT and OpenAI in any niche for a low one-time price. Cancel paying huge monthly fees, and you can now create websites loaded with content, images, posts, etc. like a pro. Create set and forget websites with limitless real-time unique content, auto-publishing posts, pages, and images directly from ChatGPT and OpenAI. For first and only Google-approved software that publishes 100% original SEO content, publish automated content as posts and pages using GPT Blaster AI directly on your website. Get 50 done for you websites. Auto Q&A feature to give instant answers for your visitors' queries. Just enter the title and your content of your pages, and it will post it automatically for you. I mean, just essentially, it's a software that will directly connect into ChatGPT and create WordPress websites for you. So they compared this to other services out there that you can save money with, especially if you're going to be paying for content or doing it on your own. It takes a lot of time or a lot of money in order to do that. However, with this, it's going to allow you to tap into the power of ChatGPT and be able to use that content without actually having to do it manually. So log in, set automation, and then it says profit. Of course, they always say that, but it's going to depend on what you're promoting. But if you're promoting something in a lucrative niche, of course, you could monetize that with things like AdSense or CPA marketing or affiliate marketing. And you could have a set and forget website without having to log into ChatGPT. You don't have to give like inputs for searching. You don't have to use out-of-date images or copy and paste content manually on your website. Essentially, it does it all for you. So if we move down here, I'll let you look at most of that stuff on your own time. But if you decide to purchase, you get access to the software. You get access to all the tools here, the 50 done for you websites, all these different things for a low one-time price. I haven't seen a discount code, but make sure you move your mouse away. Sometimes they have like a downsell type discount code that will pop up on these websites. At least try it out. I make less as an affiliate by putting that out to you. So please hit that like button. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm gonna come back, show you the backend area, an actual website created with this, and the OTOs. Okay, so we're back. So this is an actual website created with this. You can see it's a nice looking basic website where you have your content on it. It's actually all created using the power of the software, and you don't have to actually create the content yourself, which is really nice, right? It even has the ChatGPT bot on it as well. Now, how this is all managed is in a WordPress website. So you do need to have a WordPress website in order to make this work. So you will need to have your own hosting. You'll have to have a domain name. So just be aware of that. In this day and age, at this point, you should have a WordPress website. You should know how to do that. If you don't, it's easy to set one up. If you go and you just search on YouTube how to set up a WordPress website, there's tons of free tutorials on how to do it. It's just, you need to learn how to do it. This is where you are able to set up everything. You got your settings, your auto posting, your content generator, your image generator, and it will automatically create your website for you on the back end. Now, there are multiple upgrades. The first one here is premium features. With the Pro version, you can remove their watermark from your content, 10 times faster content, remove their watermark from your generated images, unlock content creation in 30 plus languages. You can deploy that AI chatbot on your website, more niches, just gives you a ton of more stuff here. Now, I didn't see a discount come up on this, but I always try moving my mouse away and hitting the no thanks button just to see if any kind of a discount's put on there. It's not on there right now as of recording this, but always try it out. Again, I make less as an affiliate by putting this out to you, but I always want you to get the lowest price. So hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, next one is the never before features with this. So this is the unlimited version. You remove all restrictions. You go unlimited. You can create unlimited content, unlimited image creation. There's no limit on your traffic or anything with this. So if you want to go unlimited, you can get this one. The next one you're going to see is the SEO Suite Edition. SEO Suite Edition to create 100% search engine optimized content for all your websites using this one. So this is just for automatically generates page title, meta description for your sites, etc., to get you SEO traffic. The next one is the Done For You edition. So they'll actually set it up for you. So it looks like if you need help getting things set up, then they'll do that for you with this one. The next one here is an agency version. So you can actually sell this as you can charge $197 per month or more for access to the software. Next one is, it looks like you can sell it. This is resale rights. It looks like it's like resale rights throughout the sales funnel. So you get like a link to promote to people. And then the last one is the white label. So you actually can like rename it and have it be your software. So all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about GPT Blaster and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about this, you will need a WordPress website in order for this to work, and you will need hosting. So just be aware of that. What do I like about this? This is a really easy way of creating a website. You can now tap into the power of ChatGPT. You don't have to actually do the manual work. If you wanted something that's going to auto post for you, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my GPT Blaster review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.